To create this abstract circle design, first of all take the ellipse tool and make an oval. Make sure the foreground color should be none and stroke width 60. You can adjust the stroke width according to your requirement. Now take the scissor tool and create a cut like this. Now remove this part, rotate, choose this stroke width profile, go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place, again rotate it, decrease the size and place it like this. Select both, set the stroke weight to 50 or 60, whatever you want. Select all, right click, group, edit, copy, edit, paste in place, make a copy. Now select all, go to object, expand appearance. Now the stroke converted to a shape. From this shape we are going to fill both shape with gradient. Here is the first gradient and here is the second gradient. Your custom circle is ready.